Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to create a complete professional Shopify online store for your gardening business. So, if you want to create any Shopify professional online store for gardening business to selling gardening relevant product, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you, because here you are going to learn everything how to do this with free theme, and I will share everything one by one, step by step. I believe within 30 minutes you can make everything ready for your store with free theme. And if you just give 1 hour or 2 hours as a beginner without any coding skill, you can make ready everything like this one. So first of all, I want to show you the result, that how actually look your store after end of the tutorials. Then I'll share the benefit, then I'll share step by step guideline how you can make it. So first of all, you can see that right now I am on the ready Shopify store. I have built it with free theme, and first of all I have added transparent header and mega menu in here. So you see I have added the mega menu. By default you cannot make any mega menu like this one with any free theme. So this is one of the advanced premium picture. Then video slider, you see here is the video slider. Then very advanced promo section, and if you look on the video slider you can see there are advanced featured to control everything. Then I have added featured product marquee section, you see featured product marquee section. Then shop by category, we can select tab base collection in here. All the chart is fully custom developed, and here is the parallax section, you see parallax background. Then added the footer. We can change the footer color as you like. You can change it like from white to black, so it will not be any issue. So now I hope you like this design so far. If you really like this design, then I believe you continue this video. So now I'm going to share the benefit. So first of all, I want to mention that or share the most important things, that is I built this store with horizon theme. You know, in Shopify theme directory, you see here is the horizon theme. Let me go to the Shopify theme directory, theme.shopify. And if I click on the Shopify themes, there have 800 plus theme including free theme. And if I click on the view all, then click on the free, there are 24 free theme available in here, and we built this with horizon theme. Here is the horizon theme. This is right now Shopify by default and recommended theme for any Shopify store designer, customizer, developer, or Shopify user who want to build their first store on Shopify platform. And before that, the dawn theme was the default theme, but they right now make horizon default theme, and that's why I use this one. And we make everything using this free theme. So as I actually discussing in here about the benefit, as this theme free, you don't have to pay for theme like, you see, $270, $320, 300, 200. And if I click on the price high, then you see this theme price is $500 and it's huge. You can use this amount for marketing, right? Any paid ad campaign. Also there have low budget theme, but I think it's not looks so premium as we see high pricing theme. So this is the most of feature benefit of this tutorial, that you can draw this with horizon theme. And the second thing is that everything is customizable. You can customize everything from theme customize section. So now your question, how I can start making a Shopify gardening store like this one using free theme and using horizon theme. So here I'm going to share the step-by-step details with you. So first of all, you have to create your store. Then I believe you can create your store very easily. You have to go to your Shopify partner account. Then you can easily, or Shopify account, you can easily create your store. When you complete your store creating process, then you have to check that your active theme is horizon. If you don't see your active theme is horizon, then simply, for example, you are right now on the home page, then simply click on the online store as a beginner. Then you have to click on the add theme from the discover theme, and here you will find horizon theme. So when you click on the add theme, then you are ready to start making your Shopify online store. So when you click on the add theme and horizon is active theme, then you have to first start working with logo. You have to make your logo first of all. Then you have to create your mega menu. So by default you will not get this mega menu. If you are a store owner, you want to start a business, then you will get this ready theme from me to build your Shopify online store, and you will get the free setup and installation support from me. Then you have to add the mega menu. So how you will get mega menu? Everything included in this theme, but your question is that how you can set up it, how to set up the mega menu. Okay, to set up this mega menu, you have to check my all the video. Click on the video, and I have already shared how to add mega menu. You see, here is the details how to add mega menu. So following this video, you can easily set up the mega menu. I have shared all the step-by-step details in here. So when you complete your mega menu following these tutorials, then you have to start from Shopify Hero video flow, and you will get by default this video flow. Just click on this plus icon, and then you will find all the premium section featured, everything in here. And I also added full video guideline how to add video slider. You see how to add this video slider on here. And when you complete this section by following this video, also you can add slider, slideshow. Then you have to add another section. This is the promo section. You see, here is the promo section, and here is the details of adding the promo section, how to design high converting hero section. You see, here is the hero section. And when you complete the hero section, you have to set up shop by category tab section, and here is the details shop by category top section. You see here I have added all the details, and when you complete set up the shop by category section with tab, then you will find another section. This is called parallax section, and here is the details how to add parallax section. I have added full details in this video, including sharing the screenshot of this parallax section, so you can easily add this parallax section. Then the footer. So how you can set up the footer? You have to go to your customize section, then go to the footer, like footer, click on here, see, then also select the utility, click on here, click on the save, and scroll down. See, here is the footer section, but you can see we are missing the social icon in here, so we have to select or change the social icon color from here, or otherwise we have to change the utility color, like you see, or make this one. Yes, also change this footer section color. Now looks similar and it looks good. So here is the step-by-step details how you can quickly make a Shopify gardening store, but you have to complete all these tutorials to complete all the section one by one, then your store will be like so. So now your question is that what is the price of this store? Actually, if you want to build a professional Shopify store with free settings and customization, then you have to contact with me. I will provide this ready theme with very cheap price, so that as a beginner you can start your online business without limited budget, without any big budget, just building a professional Shopify store. So I hope it will be very helpful for any new Shopify entrepreneur who just started and who is very serious about the marketing, because building a Shopify store is not the success of your online business. It will be success when you able to bring traffic, target audience, and start selling your product and start making profit from it. And that's why I think my service support will be very helpful for you. I'm working as a Shopify developer from last 6 years. Also, I provide Shopify SEO service. So I hope I will be perfectly fit for your new business or your current business to upgrade it, the customization, looks, everything, and build a full business on online, including AI automation. So you can contact with me for building a gardening related Shopify online store. I hope I can make a professional gardening Shopify online store for you that will be very easy for you to manage and secure, SEO friendly, and definitely save your time. So I want to just end this video in here, because I already shared that you have to check all the video in here one by one to complete all the process to make it like so, see. And that's why I think I should stop this video in here, and just I shared my WhatsApp number in the video description, so you can communicate easily with me. So don't worry about that, how to communicate. I am available on WhatsApp for full time. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And this is actually not a 30-minute video, it's very quick and fast, but I just shared the process with you so that you can do everything by yourself. So I'm going to end this video in here. Stay connected to watch more video relevant Shopify store design, customization and development. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.